Today you're going to be making the base of your clay bobblehead. You will get a slab of clay. It's just a flat piece that's shaped kind of like a rounded triangle. We're going to turn this into a cone shape. So you'll need to look back at your pattern and your rhythm you created with the stamps you're choosing. So I just need my 3 tools here. I have my hooves for my horse, I've got my seashell, and I've got my spiral. The first thing you're going to do is figure out how you're going to lay that rhythm across. So maybe set them there first, think about what you like, and then you can get going. I'm going to start here. You want to press down enough so you see the stamps, but not so much that you push all the way through the slab. If you push too hard, you're going to break your slab. If you can't finish the whole pattern across the slab, then just end it where you are with the tool you have. If you mess up, you can always take the card and very gently scrape it across the slab. If you push too hard though, you're going to make your slab thin. Okay, once you've done your rhythm across your slab, you're going to repeat it again in a new place. And maybe it can even go in a different direction if you don't have room. So now I'm going to go up instead of down with my zigzag. Down, back up, down. It's okay if only some of it gets on there. Now I'm going to do it in another place. You're going to do it until you fill about the whole slab. It might be hard to see your pattern once you've done it a few times, but while you do it, you'll feel that pattern. Once you've finished stamping it, then you're going to score and slip it and form it to the shape we need. We have these party hats here to help us with the form. So I'm just going to take it and kind of push it around my party hat, just like this. If your slab is not big enough to fit the whole party hat, that's okay. It's just here to help you get the shape started. So now that it's not big enough, I'm just going to take the party hat off and kind of keep the same form. And then I'm going to kind of close it around to mimic the same shape of the party hat. You want it to close on all sides and kind of be pointy at the top. Once it's in the shape you want, you're going to take a fork and you're going to scratch a bunch of lines on the inside edge of your slab where it's going to connect. This is where you score. So you're just scratching a bunch of little lines to kind of look like a million little hashtags where it's going to connect and also where it goes. Scratch it up at least 2 different directions. To slip, it means you're adding water. So I'm going to take some water and just use a finger or 2 to add water where I scored. If you put too much water or smooth in your score marks, it will not work. So just a little bit water to make it shiny. Then I'm going to line it back up. I might need to put my hand inside of there and press it to the form. You don't need to smoothen the seam, but if you want to, you can. I'm going to leave mine just like that. And that is how you make the base for your bobblehead.